This beautiful piece got painted. I put the hardware on and it just fell flat. So I decided to give the hardware a little bit of a upcycle. Instead of going with just the plain brass looking hardware, I decided to put it all back on and use Dixie Belle's Patina paint and spray to create a rust finish. So what I'm doing here is I use the iron patina paint, and then I will spray it with the patina spray in a green and then a little bit of yellow. Basically, I've done this on all the hardware, and I did it in place because I wanted it to look as if it's been aging for years and it's just dripping down. You know, when something rusts, it kind of just drips down the facade of the piece. So a really good way to look at doing patina is to take an old chip brush and cut it really short. I love that because then it gives me a stipple that I can just pounce with, because you know what, rust is not smooth. I don't want to brush this stuff on. I want to kind of just pounce it. That way it kind of has the bumps and the illusion that it is a real rust. It doesn't matter what substrate you put this on, meaning the surface can be wood, it can be glass, it could be metal, it doesn't matter. The patina paint works like magic. This is right after it was done, and it's not finished turning. So patina paint takes anywhere from an hour to 12 hours before it actually changes to its final color. It doesn't need to be top coated. You just go ahead and do it. It'll stay on forever. So here I got it up close. I am just kind of pouncing on the iron paint. Remember, iron is the color that you want to buy if you want to have a rust finish. And green spray that I am applying here. And then a touch of yellow. Just a little bit. You don't want to put too much yellow. Is how you get the illusion of something that has been rusting forever. Another great hint is that on the top of this piece, and I did not get good footage of it, I burned through the wood when I was sanding it. So instead of just having like a different grain look, I went ahead and added the rust patina to the top too. Oh my gosh, this turned out magnificent. Piece sold within a week of me finishing it. It's a great way to upcycle. So here is the after, what it looked like when it was done. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick, fast video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks so much.